Alright, so this is a random video. Just want to let you guys know that YOUNG40MOM RAW is being retro downloaded. That's exactly what the title says. I just posted my first retro YOUNG40MOM. Those videos are going to be close to an hour long. So those of you who like to listen or learn some information about me, nutrition, or anything that's going on in life, it is not craft related. I told you guys I was going to let you know whenever I did that. And I also told you guys I was going to let you know if they were craft related or not. And they're not. So just so you know, gotta put on my lips. So what am I working on crafty wise? Well, I cut out some really cute images from magazines, and I am in the process of trimming them out, and I'm going to use them to make my cards. I've got to trim this one a little bit better, but is that not cute? I used to work for a company that sold toys and games online, and they had some really cool images. The majority of them I punched out, and that's what I used for my gift tags. There's a cat. It's like this toy. Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna trim it out. Decoupage. Trim it out. And then I'll put some backing on sticky tape, and then I'll adhere them to my cardstock and make eventually make cards out of them. Some of these images are so cute. That actually was a company called Blocko. I'll show you some of the other stuff. These are toys that you can actually buy. Here's another one that's really cute. And I couldn't let those images go to waste. They're too cute, right? So I'm going to make cards out of them. Alright, so, oh, here's another one. I can't think of the name of this company, but it was a plushie company. That's so cute. And I've already got one. And decoupage, if I'm not mistaken, means the art of cutting. I believe that's what it means. I've cut one out. I was going to show you guys. Oh, here we go. So this is how they're going to be. Like that. Just a little bit of white border on them, because that way you don't want to cut into the image. And then that way, if you do have too much white on there, it doesn't, or if you cut away too much white, it doesn't mess it up. But, so I'm working on that. I am going to start my water break cross stitch. I've got it all set, ready to go. Broken it out of the package. I think I showed you guys what it's going to look like. It's by Calico Crossroads out of California. I think it's California. Wait a minute. It's not California. It is out of Georgetown, Texas. But anyway, they do a series. But this is what I'm going to work on. Is that not so cute? That is so funny. Called Water Break. So I'm going to probably start that today. I want to start getting back into my cross stitch again. And it comes with, they're all over the place today. Manny's got a friend spending the night, so if I'm talking really low, it's because they're still asleep. Stitching Hints for Cats by Kelly. She's the designer of it. Just your typical cross stitch information on how to do your different types of stitches when you're doing a cross stitch pattern. Just basic information. So I've got that. And it came with a nice little cardboard insert that I use. But, let's see. I finished my sunflower loofah. Let me go get that. Hold on. Okay, so I like the colors and how it turned out. So this is my sunflower loofah. Isn't that cute? It turned out so cute. So anyway, you open it up, you get the center of the sunflower, no matter where you open it. Right? So not cute. So I'm probably going to sell these this summer for Christmas this year. Guys, I'm telling you, get in on the market. If you have a Facebook page, do a Facebook Live sale. If not, film it and put it on your Facebook page or your Instagram, or if you have any social media at all, put it on there, because I work for e-commerce, and we've gotten word that there's going to be a shortage on all kinds of items, and there's going to be a delay in delivery for shipping. So if you're going to order anything, do it now, like now. For Christmas, if you're expecting stuff in the mail, do it now. Those of you who order overseas, do it now. And there's still a possibility, if you order overseas, that you may not get it in time. So yeah, so be aware of that. They're short-staffed. UPS, FedEx, and the post office. Those are the three that we use. They're behind on a lot of stuff in a lot of areas because of the disasters, because of the C word, you know, that illness that's going around. I'm afraid to say it because people are getting banned and kicked off and all that other stuff because you say certain words. But anyway, so I just want to let you know, yeah, so I'm going to do these. I got to get these up really, really quick. But anyway, so I think it turned out really cute, right? For, you know, this was my idea, sunflower. I'm gonna do a whole flower series of these. I thought it would be really cool. And these hold up great. Everybody that's ever bought one from me or that I've given as a gift has told me that they love theirs because they just throw it in the washing machine. Cotton yarn is what I got. The pattern is on, if you guys are interested in making these, it won't be this. It's just the one that they do the pattern for is the solid one, and it doesn't have the trim, and I altered it. Y'all know when I do a pattern, I alter the pattern. But the basic pattern for the loofah is on the Crochet Crowd. They have a YouTube channel and they have a Facebook page. But I think it's just called Loofah. Yeah, if you look up LOOFAH on their YouTube channel, you should find the pattern. It's really easy. And Mikey tells you to use a cotton, but I've been using acrylic and they've been holding up. They will go in the wash, they will go in the dryer. If you put them in the dryer, they do get softer. Right now it's firm, it's tight, which is what you want. But yeah, you use it with any kind of soap. They work great. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you that I'm making, this is one of my Sleepy Time dolls that I already made. You guys have already seen this one. I've already showed it to you. But one of Maddie's little friends wanted me to make him one. Yes, I said him. He just loves my dolls. So I am making one with a dark pink, because I asked him what color skin he wanted. And he said, I don't know. So I'm making him a dark pink. And the colors he wanted it in was black, pink, and white. So I've already got the hat ready. And it's black. On camera it looks kind of like a chocolate brown, but it's actually black. And then I did a little bit of white here, and then pink, and then I did white here, and then pale pink here. And then the skin is going to be a darker pink. So that's the hat part of it. So yeah, so I'm going to make him a Sleepy Time doll. I think this, I just used little scrap yarns that I had. Different scrap yarns. That turned out really cute. This is another one that I made, but this one, it has I made it to where it's like a hoodie, to where you could take the hood off. The pattern calls for stitching it down, and again, I've altered the pattern, obviously, because it's a hoodie. It's a hoodie nightgown, but I just thought it'd be more fun, interactive play for your child or the adult that likes to have a Sleepy Time baby. Anyway, I've got to get all my Sleepy Time babies up. I've got to work on my body parts. I'm putting that stuff together. And then once I get those together, I'll show you guys what that stuff looks like. But since you guys are tuning in, I want to do a mini hidden giveaway. Now, this has nothing to do with the crafts that I showed you. But if you're interested, anybody that does any kind of wood burning, or if you're interested in wood burning, this is just some stuff that people have, a friend of mine had given me over the years, and I wanted to offer it to you. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pamphlets that she's collected. It's just, if you're interested in me mailing it to you, This will go out worldwide because it's just going to fit in an envelope, because this is all it is. I never got into wood burning, but I'll go ahead and show you what it is. And if, like I said, if you're interested, just tell me you're interested, okay? And then I'll do a random drawing on it. Leave any comment down below, but let me know you're interested. Like if you're interested in the wood burning or like wood burning, anything having to do with it, just let me know. It gives you a tip guide. Let's see, this one is called Burning Bright. These are, a lot of these are free from Hobby Lobby over the years. I don't even know if you can get these anymore. So yeah, information, ideas, information and ideas, and I think where you can get the idea. This is 2017, where you can get this. So there's that one. This one is called Piece by Piece, and it's not just wood burning, it's working, crafting with wood too, those of you who craft with wood. Again, different ideas. So these are idea pamphlets on what you can do with wood. This one is Little Birdie Told Me. So birdhouses, again, working with wood, different ideas and instructions, where to get the craft stuff, and I'm guessing you could probably get it at Hobby Lobby. Actually, you could probably get it in craft store, but just different ideas on birdhouses. This one is wood burning and loving it. This is actual wood burning. So different ideas on different things that you can work on. Some information, and then here's a step-by-step with on how to do the wood burning. This one is how to make a clock, and it gives you all the information and everything that you need to make a clock. It's pretty cool. Learn to Burn, wood burning DIY, and then again, different ideas of different things that you could do in the wood burning. So yeah, so that's it. So yeah, just let me know you're interested in the comments. If you want to leave a comment for anything else, please do. Short, sweet, and to the point. And then, like I said, the retro, I think, just went up. So check that out if you're interested. If you didn't get to go see it on the Young 40 Mom Raw channel, because I have pulled all those videos down. They're only going to be on here now. And I'm only going to have them retro. And they will be in my Chit Chat information folder, because that stuff is not crafty. That is my Chit Chat information. So if you're interested, it will be in that playlist, and of course it'll be available on the recently loaded videos. And those of you who hit that notification bell, you should be notified that the video's gone up and that this video's gone up. So yeah, so if you're interested in all this wood crafting and burning and birdhouses and anything having to work with wood, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the giveaway pile. So yeah, so let me know. Yeah, so we are going to have random giveaways like that throughout every month. So please, 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 please watch my videos. I appreciate it. I am halfway there to getting my views. But you know what? It doesn't really matter to me. It's not as important as just sharing my life with you guys. And I really enjoy it. And I appreciate all your comments. I answered two of the emails that people sent to me. One was like from a month or two ago, and I apologize for the delay on that one, but I did answer it finally. So yeah, if you guys want to just shoot me an email, there's one lady that Olive watches me. I don't know if she watches me on here. I know she watched me on the Young 40 Mom Raw channel. I hope she watches me here too. Olive, shoot me an email if you would. For some reason, she's unable to comment on my videos, so she was sending me beautiful messages. And she sent me a gift package one time. It was really sweet, of all these little random little doodads and personal stuff, which was really nice. And then of course you got Stamper Wendy, of course. Hi Wendy. And I'm gonna do another one of those romper room that I did before that I thought was kind of cool. So yeah, so the retro videos I'm editing. My computer's sharp, so I'm going to keep looking at it because that's what I'm doing. I'm getting ready to set up the second one to have it released in a few days. But there are like 200 videos, I think. But like I said, they're going to be about an hour long, or close to an hour long. So if you guys want to either play it in the background, or if you're not interested at all, don't look at it. But I do have it listed as retro, so that you'll know that's what it is. And it is not craft related. It is nutrition and that type thing, which is what my chit chats are about anymore. It's just that I'm doing them all on here. So anyway, so good luck everybody. And like I said, just let me know in the comments if you're interested in the wood burning stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your weekend. I'll see you in a few days. Peace out. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys also, I am doing question of the day. I am now doing that on my TikTok. That's what my TikTok is. So if you guys are interested, please go check it out. I am going to put a few of the random ones here at the end of the video. So yeah. So again, thanks for watching, participating, and I'll see you again. Bye. All right, my fellow TikTokers. I'm not using a filter. I'm actually filming this without filter and in my office foyer. Okay, so here is your question. If you had to choose between great wealth or great wisdom, which would you choose? Great wealth or great wisdom? I'm going to try to make this short, because if you get it under a minute, you can stitch or duet. So that's what I'm trying to accomplish here. So yeah, so let me know. Great wealth or great wisdom? Personally, I would like great wisdom, because with great wisdom, you could find great wealth. Just food for thought. All right, guys, so here's today's question of the day. I like this new filter. Wait till you see it. Halloween. Okay, so it's kind of silly, but it's serious at the same time. So tell me what you think. Give me your opinion. Duet this, stitch this, do whatever you need to with it. But why is it okay or acceptable for a man to have a beard or a mustache, mainly a mustache, but not for a woman or a female gender? You tell me. Alright guys, hope everybody's having a blessed day. Here is today's question. At what age is a person considered elderly? Like 40s, 50s, 60s, 75? What age do you consider elderly? Something to think about, right?